Hello guys, welcome you all. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Android mobile device to your laptop and get the things from your mobile device to your laptop. And you can also exchange file between your laptop and your phone, and you can actually send some SMS from your laptop, and that is a big advantage. And also you can capture your mobile device screen, and if you want to record a video or you want to show something to your others what you are doing from your mobile device, that is, and I recommend this is the convenient way of doing that. So I'm going to connect my mobile device to my laptop, and I'm going to show the way of doing that to you. And today I'm going to use my Huawei P9 Lite mobile device to connect my PC. And remember this, I'm using the brand of Huawei, and if you are using another brand, you have to do the same process using your model, your brand. So, okay, according to that, you can do this process, and you can connect your device to your laptop. And the thing is, uh, when it comes to your mobile device, you can actually connect your mobile device to your laptop. You can just transfer file, okay, without downloading any software. But in today, I'm going to show you how to connect your mobile device to laptop completely uh, um, accessible with a screen to your laptop. That is the most advantage of doing this, and you have to download software. And I'm going to show you how to download that software and how to use it and how to connect your mobile device to your laptop effectively. First of all, to do this, you have to, I told you, you have to download the software, a very simple software. Uh, uh, if you are using Google, just search your model, and then you can download your software there. And I'm going to type my model in Google search bar, and my mobile device is Huawei P9 Lite, and you have to uh, add in a two words, that is PC site. Okay, PC site, and then enter. Okay, you will get right here. Uh, yeah, uh, 84 on 845,000 results. Okay, there are 845,000 results. You can't go all of them, and you have to download your PC site from your uh, mobile device company. That means I'm going to download this PC site from Huawei uh, website, and that is the first one of the result. And I'm going to click there and wait. All right, okay, right, okay. We are in Huawei website, and we can see these things, and there are some instructions, and you can connect your phone and using USB cable, data cable, and we are going to do that. And you can see the preview of your software. Okay, all right. Uh, I'm using the operating system of Windows, so I have to download Windows one. And here you can see there is a button for Windows download, and I'm going to click that button. Okay. Uh, you will receive a zip file like this, and you have to save that file and then open it. I'm not going to click OK here because already I have downloaded that one, and you can see it here, high side, and it's a zip file. I'm going to open that one, right? You have to extract using WinZip or something, or relevant software, and and you can then extract and then open. All right. And then you have to install your high site your PC, and I'm going to click next button, and and so there's an agreement uh, from company with you. Okay, uh, between you and company there is an agreement, and you have to agree those conditions. I'm not going to read these. It's a big deal actually. Uh, uh, anyway, if you want, then you can read it, and I'm not going to read it. Don't worry about that. And I'm just installing this software, and I click agree button. Okay, already I have installed this software. That's why I'm getting this message. And anyway, I'm going to uh, open that site, and so we have to wait. Oh, okay. The software is installing again because I clicked OK, and then the previous one uninstalled, and again the software is installing. That is very good for you because otherwise I have to skip this part. Anyway, uh, let it install. Wait, uh, team person. Okay, guys, I have already installed Huawei High Site, and now I'm going to connect my mobile device to my laptop. And first of all, we have to connect our mobile device, I mean, our mobile phone to our laptop using a data cable. And I'm going to connect this. Uh, Remember this, and if you connect your mobile phone to laptop, and then will be receive you will be received three options, and there you have to select the device file manager MTP. So I'm going to select that one. After select that, you have to go to your phone, and then to developer option, and you have to enable developer option. After that, you have to enable USB debugging. Okay, right. I have enabled USB debugging, and then click on USB, and then your PC site asks verification code, and then you have to go to high site on your mobile phone and open high site, and after opening high site, you will receive a verification code. You have to enter that verification uh, here, and I'm going to enter that one. 82137874, and then click on the connect. now my mobile phone uh, has been connected to my laptop, and now you can see the preview of my mobile phone, and you can see the display of my mobile phone, and also you can see the contact of my mobile phone, messages, pictures, videos, so on. So I should mention this. If you don't know how to enable USB debugging, I will show the path. Uh, okay, go to setting. All right, you can see on the display. Go to setting and go to about phone. All right, about phone. Right, there, the third option, field number. You have to touch build number option for several times, then it will show the developer option. Okay, and you have to open developer option then. Right, already I have enabled developer option. You can see on the top top option of the display, and go and find the USB debugging. You can see I have already enabled USB debugging. If I uh, use this phone for several times, then you have to enable this USB debugging when you connect your phone. So remember that part. That will uh, very useful when you want to connect your mobile device. Okay, guys. Now I have connected my mobile device to my PC, and I can now transfer and view the things in my mobile phone, and going to show you. Going to see the wallpapers uh, of my mobile device. As you can see, these pictures stored in my mobile device, and I can see those pictures now from my laptop. Right? Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. And if you get something from my video, you can subscribe my channel and stay with me. I will be giving these kind of technical solutions, technical tutorials to you. And I don't know whether you want them or not, but I think they are very helpful if you want to do such things with your laptop or mobile phone. And please subscribe my channel and stay with my channel. And thank you very much for watching this video. Okay, bye.